Hello everyone, Tim Jackson here, Pets2impress, where paws come first. So in today's video I'd like to share with you Hiccups' first doggy adventure daycare. So Hiccup has been using our daycare for a long time now. He's one of our regulars. He comes twice a week. He's a great addition to the team. I know I speak for all the staff when I say we have a huge big soft spot for Hiccup. He's a little dog with a big character as always, and from what I hear he had an amazing adventure. Sadly I missed his first adventure. I don't work on Fridays, but he did have an amazing time. I've got some lovely videos to follow. He went out with Abby, one of our canine carers, and she got some lovely videos. You'll have seen the pictures posted on Friday as well, but he had a brilliant time. I think Hiccup thoroughly enjoyed it because one, he loves doing anything for food. He likes his treats, but he also loves that one-to-one time, and that's the benefit of these adventure daycares, is that getting that one-to-one time as well too, and being outside and being a dog, doing what dogs enjoy doing. So on our adventure days, all dogs get natural. We do natural agility with them, we do scent work, we do one-to-one training, we do recall, we do lead training, and the dogs absolutely love it. And I know I say this in every video, but you know why? Because it's the truth. Now don't forget, this week, with it being the Valentine's week, we do have our romantic adventure daycares. So the idea of this is we'll still be doing the same things. So all the dogs will still be getting your agility, lead training, recall, etc, etc, but they will be coupled up with one of their daycare friends. So we already have quite a number of bookings throughout the week. There are still a few spaces left. I did post availability yesterday, so you can see on there, or drop us a message and I can let you know. But what we'll be doing is we'll be coupling the dogs up and taking them out for a romantic adventure together, just as part of the Valentine's week. And don't forget, every dog that attends daycare this week will also get their I'll get my words out, their school photograph. So make sure you do book in. We are running out of spaces, so if you were wanting to book in at all this week, please let us know in advance, just to avoid disappointment. Before I show you Hiccup's videos from his adventure, just one little note to let you know that my book is now for sale on Amazon. Help My Dog is a Devil with Other Dogs. There's the paperback version and there is also the Kindle version as well. They are on an early bird discount price at the moment, so make sure you order a copy sooner rather than later so that you can get that early discount price. Okay, and if anyone has any questions on today's video, then please just comment below. If anyone has any video requests for me, then please just comment below or send me a message and I'll upload one as soon as I possibly can. For now, this is Tim from Pets2impress, and that is where paws come first.